top short series of 90 plus Mind Tuition app. So here comes a very important question from this chapter, which is heat and temperature. Here is the question. What are the three types of temperature measuring scales? Okay, so I hope you know the answer of these questions, which is degree Celsius scale, degree Fahrenheit scale, and then we have got the Kelvin scale, right? Yes. So now we'll discuss the degree Celsius scale. So this is a degree Celsius scale. We know that water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. So it is divided into 100 equal parts. Got it? Okay, so this will be the degree Celsius scale and each part will be 1 degree Celsius. Okay, so then comes the degree Fahrenheit scale. So here is a Fahrenheit scale. Here you can see that water freezes at 32 degree Fahrenheit and water boils at 212 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so these will be the upper and the lower points. Okay, so the freezing point of water is 32 degree Fahrenheit. The boiling point of water is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so this Fahrenheit scale is divided into 180 equal parts and each part will be 1 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so the last temperature scale is the Kelvin scale. So this is a Kelvin scale. Here you can see that the water freezes at 273 Kelvin and water boils at 373 Kelvin, right? Yes, so we can say that here also it is divided into 100 equal parts. Okay, and each part will be 1 Kelvin. Okay, so this will be the three temperature scales. Very important question from this chapter. I hope you got the concept of this chapter. So we will be back with another video. So till then, bye bye. Take care.